Welcome to my channel, Henry's Family TV channel. How are you doing today? What's happening so far? You giving God thanks? Okay, we give God thanks for today. Today I'm going to show you how I'm going to cook some chicken, brown stew chicken, and I'm going to put a little of coconut milk in it, and I'm going to put some corn in it. So here's my chicken. This is my chicken leg. Just chicken legs alone. Okay guys? Can you see? Chicken legs. And I'm going to put some corn and carrots. Okay guys? And this is my seasoning here. My scallion and my pepper and my onion also. Okay guys? And I'm going to cook cornmeal dumpling, banana, piece of yam, white yam, and a piece of squash. Look at my squash. Okay guys, so watch as I go, and please remember to subscribe, like, share, and make a comment. Okay guys, so I've already washed my chicken. Okay guys, look at it. Okay, I'm going to show you how I season my chicken. So I'm going to wash my hands now. Most likely I use my spoon. So I'm going to wash my hands, and I'm going to show you how I season my chicken. Hi guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel. This is Henry Family TV. Okay guys, how are you doing today? Hi guys, how are you doing today? Are you okay? And giving God thanks for today? How is it going so far? Well, today I'm going to show you how I'm going to cook some chicken, some brown stew chicken. So here I have my browning, my ginger, and my all-purpose seasoning, and my salt, and my cayenne pepper. Okay, how is it going so far? Is it okay with you? Thank God for another day. Okay, so I'm going to cook brown stew chicken, and I'm going to put some coconut milk. Maybe, I'm not sure, but I'm going to put some coconut milk in it. Alright? Here's my corn, carrot, and my seasoning, my onion, and my scallion. So here I go. I washed already. I already washed my chicken. Okay guys, it's still not working. That mic is not on. Hi guys, how are you today? Good morning, good day, good afternoon. I'm giving God thanks for another day. Welcome to my channel guys, Henry Family TV. Okay guys, so here I have some chicken. I'm going to brown stew for you. I'm going to show you how I do my brown stew chicken. So I'm going to put some carrots in it, some corn, and my seasoning, my scallion and my, can you see it guys? My scallion and my onion and a piece of pepper. And I'm going to cook cornmeal dumpling, bananas guys, and a piece of yam, and I'm going to piece of squash. Okay guys, or you can use that pumpkin or whatever you want to use it. And here are my knives, all three knives I have here. Okay guys, so I already washed. All right, so I'm going to put some, normally I use a spoon. Okay, so this is my, and I washed my hands already, and I'm going to wash them again. Okay guys, and here's my towel over here. This is what I use, or my paper towel on the other side. Okay guys, so I'm going to put a little ginger, all-purpose, just all-purpose seasoning. It is all purpose. It contains pepper, garlic, scallion, thyme, everything. And a little bit of salt, guys. And this is my cayenne pepper. So just a little bit of cayenne pepper. Not much seasoning. I don't use a lot of seasoning. Okay, guys? Can you see it? And I have my pots here for my brown stew chicken and also my pot to cook my food. Okay, guys? Just watch as I go. Can you subscribe, please? Like, share, and make a comment. Just tell me how you do your chicken. Okay, guys? Can you see it? So I'm going to put some browning in it. Not much browning either. Okay, guys? You see? Put a little bit more browning. Okay. Can you see, guys? You see? Now sometimes what I do is that sometimes I use a cover like this. I have a cover. I have my cover here. So I do like this. And I shake it like this. Shake it like this, guys. Sometimes I put it in the fridge or leave it on the counter for it to marinate. Okay, guys? But I'm just showing you what I'm doing now. So follow me as I go. You can see my chicken here. Okay, guys? And I have my pots all ready. Sometimes I use water to brown stew, no oil. And sometimes I just grease the pot bottom. Okay, guys? Look at it. Just a little. Just to grease the bottom of the pot. So I have my spoon here. So when my pot is almost hot, I put it in there. Okay? So I put away my stuff. Whenever I use my stuff, I put them away. Okay, guys? So remember to subscribe, share, tell a friend, to tell another friend, guys. Okay? I'm going to put out my salt. Thank you for watching. Tell me how you do yours. Okay, guys? So I'm going to turn on my stove for my pot. Okay, like this. This is it now. I'm just waiting on my pot. So over here I have my squash. I cut my squash like this, guys. Squash is like pumpkin, like this. Like this, guys. This is mine. So I'm going to put away this now and keep it in the fridge. Okay, guys. So I'm just waiting on my oil. Almost there. Okay, guys? So my oil is hot now, guys. I'm gonna put my chicken in. Okay? And I don't use a lot of oil. You can see I just grease the pot. And if there's any excessive oil in it after I cook, I take out the oil. But I'm going to put water in it. Look how I look my chicken. See? This is my pot. This is my brown stew chicken. Okay, guys? Sometimes I put my scallion and seasoning before, and then sometimes I don't. Sometimes I just do it like this. And please, guys, marinate your meat. I'm just showing you how I do it, but just marinate your meat. Okay, guys? You can show how you do it, tell me how you do it, but marinate it. Marinate your meat, okay? Put it to soak. Season it and put it down, okay, guys? Sometimes I just cook it, maybe, but most time I marinate it. I put it, I season and put it to soak. So there's my chicken here cooking. Okay, guys, I'm going to cover, get my cover and cover it. Use this cover. My water is boiling up, guys. I'm going to use this cover to cover this one to cover this one. I don't have a cover for this one, so I have to use this and this one. See, guys? Because there's no oil, and I can stick it in the bottom. My meat jumping out of the pot. My stove is clean, guys, so there's no problem. See my chicken there? I'm going to tip a little bit of water. Can you get some color? Guys, remember, don't use as much oil, just use a little of oil. Okay, guys? I store my spoon over here. So my chicken is cooking, guys. Okay, so my water is almost there. So I'm going to put my corn. Corn may take a little while to cook. So I'm going to put my corn in it. I'm going to put my corn in there. I mean, if it's too thick, you can cut it a bit smaller. Okay, guys? So I'm going to wash my corn over here. This is my corn, guys. I'm going to put it in and let it stay there and cook. Take your time. So you cook your corn. You can try it this way, guys. I washed it already. Like this. Okay, guys. I'm just trying something different. Okay, guys. My sink is over here. Keep your area clean as you go. Okay, guys. Yes, guys. See my pot coming up? See my pot? Okay. I want then I tip a little water in it, a little bit of warm water, or whatever water you want to use. Okay, guys? So I'm going to tip a little water in there, like this. Okay. I wash my hands to make my flour already because the sink is on the other side. I just wash my hands, guys. So I'm going to put a little cornmeal here. Okay, guys. Put it in the sink. And I'm going to put a little salt in it. Not much. You guys, remember it's not too salty. Just a little salt. hands are all washed already. Just brown water. I'm gonna make my flour. Okay, guys. Heat my fire. So you see my pot? Get in there. So it is brown stew chicken with corn and carrots. So I'm going to put in the carrot after. I'm going to make my dough. Put it down. Just watch me as I go. Remember to subscribe, share, tell a friend, to tell another friend about my creative cooking. I'm going to make beetroot dumpling and beetroot rice. Just watch me as I go, guys. So I'm going to put my carrot in. It's coming up. Look at it, guys. How I made my dumpling and my dough, my flour. Look what I need. I'm kneading my flour, guys. See, guys, this is how I make my flour into dumplings. Okay, guys, look at it. And you see, guys, okay. And I cover and let it set. Yes, guys, I'm right here. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. So this is my brown stew chicken. Getting a little color. So I'm going to put some carrots in, guys. I'm going to wash my hands again. As I say, my sink is on the other side. So I wash my hands. My hands, I wash my hands, guys. Okay. So I'm going to scrape my carrots. This is how I scrape my carrots. Whatever way you want to turn your carrot, you can do it this way also. Put up my bottom of the carrots. Like this, guys. Just like this, guys. See my brown stew chicken? No oil. Just grease the pot. You can try it that way. Too much oil, not good. Because the chicken itself has oil, like a lot of fat in it. So I scrape my carrots like this. I'm going to wash them, or you can wash them before want to wash before or wash after, no problem. So I'm going to cut my carrot like this. You can cut it like this, or you can cut it like this. Do like this. If you want to cut, you can do it like this, guys. But I like when they cut like this. Cut like this. This also. I like it this way. If you want to wash them again, fine. That's up to you. So I cut it like this, guys. Be careful of the knife, it will cut. So I do like this. Guys. I'm just showing you how I cut. You can cut it in your way. Or tell me how you cut your long way, across way, round, whatever. And remember that they say carrot is good for your eyes. Sometimes when I'm doing soup, I cut it like this. See my pot there? You can cut it like this. You don't have to put a lot of carrot in, guys. My spoon is in the water. See? It's getting a little color. My carrot, guys. Look at it, guys. Carrots. I'm just creating another. Look at it. Making my own creative pot. I'm going to wash it again. See, I wash it in the water, then I can do like this, or I can strain it. Let the water drain off. See, I washed already. Showing you where I washed again. So I'm going to put my. There you go. It's my sink. So there's my pot. Okay. So my pot, guys. Got my pot. Brown stew. No oil. Brown stew, guys. No oil. This carrot looks like it's too much, so I'm going to put maybe not all of it. So, guys. And you see, guys. I put all of it in, guys. No oil. Just the water. And I just grease the pot bottom. So the chicken make its own oil. See, guys? Guys, remember to clean as you go. Once you have the space, you clean as you go. So my pot is boiling. See, it's boiling, I'm going to put a little bit more water. See, I'm putting a bit more water in this pot because the water is boiling out. Okay guys, look at this. I have a little coconut milk here, and I'm going to put it in my brown stew chicken without the oil. So just a little bit, I'm going to tip in it. Got it guys? You can try it at home, but use your oil if you want to. I don't want any oil in my pot. Okay guys. See my pot guys, look at it. It's going to get browner. The finished product will be brown. Okay guys? Alright. So I'm going to put a little salt in my water here to cook my food. Okay guys, not much, just a little. I remember to taste your pot at all times. I'm going to turn up the fire here. And then I put some seasoning in this one. Okay guys? So this is my squash here guys. And some people peel it, sometimes I don't, sometimes I peel. Okay? Put it to your size. The size of your family, big or small, whatever way you want to cut it. But look, this is the way I cut. Squash, I love squash. Okay, guys, and I'm going to make peel my bananas. I'm going to put the bananas in first. See, it's coming up. To this is my thing here. I'm going to wash my food, all of my foods, and put them in. My water is almost there. I'm going to make my dumpling. The banana is oil. Okay guys, I'm going to put my banana in first. Normally guys, what I normally do, sometimes I put a little piece of saltfish in my, okay guys, piece of saltfish in my banana. It's just a little piece, I won't salt it out. Just a little piece guys for my bananas. Okay guys, look at it. Got my pot here. So I'm going to peel my bananas, please. I don't have to wash my bananas, I'm just going to peel it. The banana is already clean. If you want to wash it, you can wash it. Yeah, peel my banana guys. Peel my bananas. Okay guys. See my bananas guys? Okay. My water is boiling up. wash your bananas. Just peel it. Sometimes the skins are very thin, so you have to use a knife more than one time. Like this, the skins are very thin. Guys, all pretty. There you go. Stay there and boil up. After I start boiling, I just put my dumplings in. Washing my hands. See, I wash my hands. I'm going to make my dumplings now. My sink is on the other side. See, my pot is boiling up. Okay guys, pot is boiling up. My pot boiling up, guys. So my pot boiling up, and this is how I make my pot. It's getting its own color now. Roll and press. See my pot, guys? It's getting a little color. See, guys? Put a little bit coconut milk in it. And then I put some seasoning. See, guys? That's how I do my brown stew chicken. Sometimes I use oil, but not very often. So my pot is boiling up now. So I'm going to do my dumplings. Continue doing my dumplings. Remember, guys, to taste your pot. Taste your pot, guys. This is boiling up. Boiling up, guys. You see it boiling up? Nice. Boiling away. Boiling away, guys. One more to go. See it getting color? Give it a little brown color. See? oil in it. We all love oil, but not much today. I'm going to put a little bit of coconut milk I have left over. Okay guys, look at it. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, make a comment, please. See my chicken here, guys? Brown stew corn, carrots, and coconut chicken. Finish my dumpling here now. So my pot is boiling. Guys, I have to turn on my fan. It can make a lot of noise. Sorry about the noise, guys. My fan make a lot of noise. See, guys? This one is a bit bigger. I can make it in two. See that? Let it stay a bit. Can you see my pot, guys? Can you see my pot? Okay, guys, I'm going to peel my yam. So, yam I'm going to put in the pot. My pot is boiling up, guys. Just a little piece of yam. I have my water here. Careful, guys. Don't let the knife cut you. Got my yam. So, guys, I washed it in the water because my sink is on the other side over there. So, not much food today. Okay, guys. I wash my food. Wash your food like this, guys. Can put it underneath the sink, but my sink is on the other side, guys. Okay, guys, now let me show you my chicken. So that's it for my pot today. Alright, guys. I'm going to cover my pot. I'm going to clean my area. Area. Okay. And this is my chicken pot, my brown stew chicken pot. Okay, guys, I'm gonna cut the season. I'm gonna put it in, guys. I'm gonna taste it. Let us see. This is my tablespoon. Okay, guys. Tastes good. No salt, nothing. This is quite okay. Limit on the salt, limit on the oil. So my pot is here. It's boiling away. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I'm going to show you how I taste my pot also. I have another spoon over here. Hey guys, you can do it like this also. Good to go. So my food is cooking here, guys, as you can see. Okay. My chicken is almost there. Welcome back, guys. Got my pots. No oil. And there's my season. Okay, guys, in the water, so I'm going to throw off my water. Got my season like this. Sometimes I cook it with the season, sometimes I let it stay there, guys. My onion. My season here. And a little piece of pepper. My tomato, guys. Tomato here. Guys, this is my sweet pepper and my mini sweet pepper. So my pot here is cooking, guys. So this is my season. Look at my pot, guys. See my season here? See? My onion, my scallion. Sweet pepper. Yeah, mini sweet pepper. Guys, see? Turn on my fire like this. Welcome back, guys. This is my finished product now. This is my finished product. And this is brown stew chicken, carrot, and corn with coconut milk. And this is my finished product, guys. As you can see. Alright, let me show you now. I'm going to share out my food. Look at it now, guys. Put my food here. This is my squash, piece of yam, and 2 dumplings. Okay, guys? And remember, guys, to share, subscribe, tell a friend, like, make a comment, please. Okay? Look at this now, guys. This is my finished product. Corn. Look at this, guys. Carrot. Remember, no oil. Okay, guys? This is my dumpling, squash, banana, like this. Can you see this, guys? Look at this. I'm going to taste it, okay? I'm going to taste it, guys. Like this. Okay, see? Look at this, guys. It's good. Remember? Brown stew chicken, coconut milk, carrot, and carrot. And this is my food. Okay, thanks for watching. Enjoy my channel. And remember to subscribe, like, share, and make a comment. God bless you. Love you all. See you in my next channel.